All right, for you guys that have been waiting forever for us to do a 2019, I think it's the 15 to the 19 with this RT, SRT Hellcat type of rear spoiler, the one piece. Show you how to install. There's a couple alignment points that you need to know to make the process easier. Here's your Wickerbill. Come with the nut certs just like the Challenger, 9 of them. Washers, bolts, 9 of those. All your proper tools you see to install. So first of all, we've already marked it, but we'll show you how to do that. You'll definitely need 2 people, 3 people if you can for the install of this Charger Wickerbill. Just makes it easier. So one alignment point is you see our curve, our little bend here. That bend needs to match the bend here of the spoiler. So you can see it's a little high, so if we bring it down, yeah, about right there. You know, don't worry about the end out here. This is what you got to be concerned about. That way it'll keep the proper distance from the bottom of the Wickerbill away from the top of the trunk. And you'll have that alignment on the other side as well. Now, to mark it, you have one person on one end. Have Omar grab that. You have one person on this end who will align it. See, we'll come down just a little bit, right there. And then as you see and mark it, we'll have to push it up so you can get a better mark when you go and mark each one of these holes. You've probably seen us use a, well, let's see, down here, same thing. You've probably seen us use a punch on the, where'd the marker go? No, where's the marker? Did I put it away? Okay, put it back up there real quick. Probably seen us use a punch on the Challenger, but that's a lot easier than this one. So as you can see, we've already marked it, but you'll come in, try to get the angle. See how I got the angle? The same as the Wickerbill. Don't come like this. Try to come at the same angle. That way you can get the full circle of how to mark it. Around here, same way, all the way through. And oh, wait, one more time. And as you're working your way down, be sure to push in or push the Wickerbill up against the spoiler, so that way there's no gap when you're trying to mark it, because if there's a gap, you'll probably get off. All right, now just a typical install. We'll go through, punch the center of each hole. Now the scary part, drill each hole, or drill each center punch that you just did. Get our stepper bit, let me show them. Stepper bit like this. We have it marked where we want to stop. I think it's at the 3/8 mark. That's the size of our nut cert that we use, is a 3/8. Remember when you drill this, to drill at the angle of the spoiler. at 3/8. You don't want to drill all the way through. Just make it enough where you see he's test fitting the nutsert, but when you place it, it'll just pop right in. Now we'll go through with each nutsert. I'm going to stop it. All right, now you see all the nutserts are installed. Now we're going to go one by one. Start out at the end. And leave them all loose. Now you just kind of hold it. And just work your way to the other side. Come down here.
Yeah, we're just gonna run through so nobody gonna pull.
Yeah.
Down.
Okay. Now, come over here, Omar. What you're going to do is push in there, and then we're just going to pick up. Now, what you need to do is, after all of them are loose, you can grab here, push the end in just a bit, so it's up against the spoiler. Now, on both sides, you'll have somebody over here, somebody here, and you're going to pick up. Let's see, hang on. Let's check the alignment and make sure it's even.
I'm good here.
Let's see, how do you just think focus? So yeah, see, so here you'll check your left and right, and now we'll come in and pick up and just tighten these two. And you'll come back to the other side here, grab that one. And while holding it up, you just keep working all the ways around. And now, with that, you'll have a nice gap all the way through the bottom. All the way to the other side. Alright, there you go. Finally, charge your Wickerbill.